Welcome to my GIS and data analysis portfolio. I specialize in mapping, data analysis, and research support using tools like GIS, Excel, and Google Earth Engine. I am a GIS and data analyst with practical experience in spatial analysis and data processing. I help students, researchers, and organizations turn raw data into maps, tables, and insights for decision-making and academic work. My key skills include GIS and mapping, data analysis, and remote sensing, utilizing software like QGIS, ArcMap, Microsoft Excel, and Google Earth Engine. I offer various services, including GIS mapping, spatial analysis, Excel data cleaning, land use analysis, and support for research projects. Services are tailored to project scope and deadlines. My first project example is land use and land cover mapping. The objective was to classify land cover types using satellite imagery and tools like QGIS or Google Earth Engine, resulting in classified maps and area statistics. I also specialize in Excel and data analysis, cleaning raw data sets, organizing variables, and generating meaningful summaries for reporting. Tasks include data cleaning, pivot tables, charts, and summary statistics. Google Earth Engine is used to efficiently process large satellite data sets for environmental and land use studies. Applications include land cover classification and temporal change analysis. My work process is straightforward. The client explains the need, data availability and deadlines are reviewed, analysis and visualization are performed, and results are delivered with clear explanations. I prioritize clear communication and timely delivery. Choose me for a strong technical foundation, clear explanation of results, experience with academic and applied projects, and flexible pricing based on the project scope. You can contact me via WhatsApp or email for short-term tasks, project-based work, and training. My details are on screen. Thank you for watching this video.